The Everglades is an intricate system of subtropical wetlands, lakes and rivers, originally covering more than 4,000 square miles from Lake Okeechobee to the southern tip of Florida. However, due to development, the Everglades has been reduced to less than half of that size. The Everglades receives an average of 60 inches of rain a year. To put that in perspective, Seattle, Washington receives a little bit more than half of that annual amount. And since water is the lifeblood of the river of grass, the summer wet season usually gets to the glades just in time to cool things down. Southern Florida doesn't have much of a winter, but it's during this time that the Everglades gets a break from warmer temperatures and heavy rains. The Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge is an awesome threshold brimming with wildlife between Lake Okeechobee, agricultural lands, and pine flatwoods to the north and the Everglades to the south, partially bounded by the largest remaining remnant of a cypress strand. It was created to protect wildlife and promote public access to natural areas here in Palm Beach County. Loxahatchee comes from the Seminole word meaning river of turtles. The Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge is a mosaic of wet prairies, sawgrass ridges, sloughs, tree islands, cattail communities, and a 400-acre cypress swamp. The refuge provides essential wildlife habitats for the king rail, limpkin, fulvous whistling duck, white and glossy ibis, sandhill crane, threatened wood storks, and endangered Everglades snail kites. The refuge is known for having the greatest number of alligators in America. Not the greatest biomass, just the greatest number of snapping jaws per square foot.